As Greg walked home from school, he planned to go to the beach to swim and surf.
With his board, Greg walked down to the beach.
When he reached the beach, though, he saw a big problem. Oil had coated all of the water and was harming marine life everywhere, including this bird which he saw on the side of the ocean.
As a result, this problem gave Greg an idea. His idea was to improve upon existing oil spill cleanup equipment to increase the functionality, efficiency, and cost.
Greg made his prototype using a Raspberry Pi, an ultrasonic distance sensor, and a very powerful water pump.
This is the section of his prototype.
After designing his prototype, Greg decided to test it in a tub with 15 gallons of water and 2.5 gallons of oil. His device was successful as it cleaned out all of the oil in the tub in under 75 seconds.
Until finally, Greg introduced his idea to the government and high officials.
The government officials discussed Greg's idea and decided to implement it in the real world.
Ever since then, Greg's design helped so many marine life species survive and to be protected by those nasty oil spills.
In addition, because these marine life species were saved, Greg helped the food chain and food web stay intact and maintain the symbiotic relationships that these marine life had with other species.
After Greg's successful design boomed in the oil spill cleanup industry, Greg, like many other people, were now able to enjoy the two things they loved, swimming and surfing.